Hi guys, so we have our Emoko C93 e-bike, and some of you are having questions about how do you limit or how do you unlock the top speed. So what I want you to do is turn on the bike at the moment you see it's on. So let's test what's the speed at the moment. So you go, let's put our pass to 5 and let's test. So you can see that the top speed is 25 kilometers. So at the moment you can see that the top speed is 25 kilometers. So what you need to do is hold left brake, hold this down arrow button for 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release. Now let's check our top speed. So you see now our speed is getting up to 57 kilometers an hour. So that's how you deactivate or activate the speed limit.